Is your home feeling outdated and in need of a makeover? Updating your house before you put it on the market can significantly boost its value. I'm chatting about the simple changes to transform your space and make it more appealing to potential buyers. Follow along as I reveal a few bonus tips just for you. Let me start by saying I'm not suggesting you remodel or do significant upgrades that require you to go out and hire someone to complete this work. These makeover items are cost-effective and most can be DIY projects. So makeover number one is paint. Of course, you know that painting walls and ceilings freshen up an entire room. But have you thought of painting your kitchen cabinets, bathroom vanities, and even built-ins? Fireplaces look totally transformed when they've been painted or whitewashed too. What about countertops and even wall or floor tiles? Yep, they make paint for those projects too. If you have a project to paint, there's likely a paint for that project. Makeover item number two, changing light fixtures, switch plates, and light switches. After you've painted a room, change out the switch plates, light switches, and covers. Take this opportunity to change out any light fixtures as well. And if you don't want to replace the light fixture, but it needs a freshen up, guess what? Yep, you can paint it. Here's my first bonus tip. Update that old analog thermostat with a digital programmable thermostat. I'm sharing real-life experiences from my 30-plus years in real estate. Pick up my free Under Contract Now What by clicking on the link underneath the video description below. Now let's talk about showcasing a room by adding some details. A little crown molding can dress up a room nicely and inexpensively. And give those baseboards a little love too. Refresh the existing baseboard with paint or go all out and replace the existing baseboard with new baseboard. The fourth makeover item to consider is changing out hardware. Changing out those brass doorknobs and door hardware and cabinet handles or pulls will certainly make a big impact. Here's a bonus tip number two. If you don't want to buy new doorknobs or hardware, cabinet handles, and pulls, spray paint them. Leave me a comment or a question below and I'll be happy to respond. I might even make a new video to answer your question. Check out my other videos for more real estate resources for you. Lastly, I wouldn't categorize the final suggestion as a makeover item, but this rather falls into the maintenance category. Keep up with the maintenance that your outdated home needs. Proper maintenance is crucial to keep your home fit. If you decide to sell your home, buyers will feel better about purchasing a well-maintained home versus a home that needs a lot of TLC. An outdated home doesn't have to stay that way. By making clever updates, you can ensure your home ages gracefully and remains both functional and stylish for years to come.